is it?
The perimeter is being guarded by officers' usual patrol. I know these men. I'll talk to them.
Make it quick.
Te escucho, estás muerto.
Necesito información. Estoy dispuesto a pagar. Hay que hacer matar a la gente que habla sobre sus negocios. Que yo no lo sabe. Es que la verdad no es una solución.
Rick just gave us something to fight. But if the guard reaches for his radio or if they start walking towards us, I want you to drop the guard and then Rick.
What do you want me to do about the guard?
Let him go. Let him go. What was that about, Rick?
You see that officer and Carly going on the compound?
What are you talking about? They had plenty of time to get down
They
there.
were supposed to land tonight, but they had to make an emergency landing.
What do you mean emergency landing? What's wrong with her?
Carly's in labor.